Have you ever seen a picture of a mountain breathing fire? A massive cloud of ash and smoke blasting into the sky? That's a volcano, one of the most powerful and spectacular events on our planet. But what makes a peaceful-looking mountain suddenly explode? To understand this, we can't stay on the surface. We have to travel deep inside the Earth. Imagine the planet is like a giant peach. We live on the thin skin, which scientists call the crust. Beneath the crust is the thick, juicy part, called the mantle. It's not solid rock, but a super hot, gooey layer that flows very, very slowly. And within this mantle, there's a lot of molten rock called magma. This is the secret ingredient for every volcano. The Earth's crust isn't one smooth, solid piece. It's broken up into huge sections, like a cracked eggshell. These giant pieces are called tectonic plates, and they are constantly moving, floating on top of the gooey mantle. Sometimes, two plates slowly pull away from each other. In other places, they crash into each other. This movement is what creates the conditions for a volcano to form. When one plate slides underneath another, it gets pushed deep into the hot mantle. The incredible heat and pressure cause the rock of the diving plate to melt. This melting creates a huge amount of new magma. This newly formed magma is lighter and less dense than the solid rock around it. So, just like a hot air balloon rises in the sky, this magma begins to slowly push its way upwards. It looks for cracks and weak spots in the crust above. As it rises, it often collects in a huge underground pool, miles beneath the surface. This massive underground lake of molten rock is called a magma chamber. It's the volcano's powerhouse. Now, this magma isn't just hot rock. It's also full of dissolved gases, like water vapor and carbon dioxide. Think of a can of soda. Before you open it, you can't see any bubbles. The gas is dissolved in the liquid because it's under high pressure. Magma in the chamber is just like that. It's a high-pressure container holding a huge amount of trapped gas. Over time, more and more magma from the mantle can push into the chamber, increasing the pressure even more. The chamber swells, and the ground above it might even bulge slightly. The magma continues to push upwards, searching for an escape route. It travels through cracks and channels toward the surface. As the magma gets closer to the surface, the weight of the rock above it decreases. This causes the pressure to drop, and this is where things get explosive. Remember the soda can? What happens when you open it? The pressure is released, and the dissolved gas instantly forms bubbles and fizzes out. The same thing happens inside the volcano. As the pressure drops, the trapped gases in the magma expand with incredible force. These expanding gas bubbles create a tremendous upward push, forcing the magma out of the ground with violent speed. This is the eruption, a powerful blast of gas, ash, and molten rock. The magma that erupts and flows onto the surface is given a new name, lava. Some eruptions are gentle, with lava flowing out slowly. Others are incredibly violent, blasting ash and rock miles into the atmosphere. It all depends on how much gas is trapped in the magma and how thick the magma is. So a volcano isn't just a mountain that explodes. It's actually a vent, a natural chimney for the Earth. It's the planet's way of releasing the immense heat and pressure that builds up deep within its core. The movement of plates creates magma, the magma rises and collects, and the pressure of trapped gases forces it to the surface. Volcanoes are a reminder that the ground beneath our feet isn't static and solid, but a dynamic, powerful, and living system.